this is how to get free stuff on Temu. First, what you need to do is open the Temu app. From in here, you're gonna click on the U button in the bottom. Then press the options button in the top right besides the headset. From in here, you're gonna see country and region. You need to change this to the US, otherwise it doesn't work for some reason. Now, go back, press the earn credits and free gifts. From in here, you'll see several free things you can do. Click on one of them, get 5 $0 items. Then select your items you want to get for free. I'm just gonna pick something.